Hello everyone, this is Lieutenant VL Vimla. Welcome back to MADRAS VL Vimla channel. This channel is all about listening and learning the language and getting motivated. I hope you are all happy there. In this video, we are going to learn 23 personality describing idioms. It will be useful to you to talk about people describing their quality personally. Now let's see the idioms. The first one is as cool as cucumber, which means one who is very calm and handles all the situations smoothly without any emotional fluctuations. An example for this is John is as cool as cucumber and he will solve the problem easily. Second expression is barefaced liar, which means one who displays no shame about lying even after getting caught. An example for this is you can't believe Ranjita. She is a barefaced liar. And the third expression is big mouth. The meaning of it is one who can't keep a secret. An example for this is don't tell anything to Allison. She is such a big mouth. She will tell everything to others. The fourth expression is bossy boots, which means someone who likes to dominate other people and often instructs them what to do. An example for this is Asha is a bit of a bossy boots and always creates troubles in the teamwork. The fifth expression is busybody, which means a person who has great interest in knowing people's personal lives. An example for this is Rashida's neighbor is a real busybody. Nothing can miss her ears. Next expression is chatterbox, which means a person who talks a lot, a garrulous. An example for this is Chandru always stands outside the class. He is such a chatterbox. The seventh expression is crank, which is very informal expression, should be used only in the personal conversation, which means a person with strange ideas or who behaves in a strange way. An example for this is when he first started to present his views, they called him as crank and a madman. And the eighth expression is couch potato, which means a lazy and inactive person. An example for this is Lata is a couch potato who watches a lot of television. The ninth expression is cold fish, which means one who has no emotions, who is regarded as a stone-hearted. An example for this is Peter is such a cold fish that he never reacted for any of others' loss. The next expression is creep, which means a person who tries too hard to be liked by people in authority and so hated by others. An example for this is Roger is a creep who always runs behind the higher authorities. The 11th expression is dark horse, which is an interesting expression, which means a person with hidden talents. An example for this is Joe is a dark horse whose talent in playing guitar is not known to anyone. The next expression is dipstick, which means stupid or slightly dull-headed. An example for this is Surinder is such a dipstick that his decisions are always wrong. The 13th expression is down to earth, which means practical, reasonable, friendly, and treats others equally. An example for this is Pauline is a down to earth person who understands others' need and helps. The 14th expression is eager beaver. The meaning of it is someone who works hard and is very enthusiastic. An example for this is Jacob is such an eager beaver. He is always the first one to complete his homework. The 15th expression is ear hustler, which means gossiper. or one who secretly listens and gossips. An example is Mala is the greatest ear hustler in the college. The 16th expression is fuddy duddy, which means one who has old fashioned ideas. An example for this is Sujata is such a fuddy duddy, I can't tolerate her advice anymore. And the 17th expression is full of yourself, which means thinking that one's own self is very important in such a way that annoys other people. An example for this is I doubt he even thought about what others might need. He is so full of himself. 18th expression is go-getter, which is a very positive word, which means one who is very energetic, deals with difficult situations easily and determined to be successful. An example for this is Ranveer was a true go-getter as he never returned home without completing the work. The next expression is goody-goody, which means one who always behaves extremely perfect to maintain others' good opinion on one's own self well. An example for this is Tanuja is a goody-goody girl. Generally, girls used to do this to impress people. The next expression is golden boy, which means a man who is highly successful and is much admired. An example for this is Kishore is a golden boy of the writer's world. The 21st expression is happy camper. This is an expression used both as a positive one and negative one, which means one who is happy and satisfied. An example for this is Williams is enjoying the responsibilities of the new position and he is a happy camper now. An example for using this expression negatively is Dolly is not able to tolerate the weather and she is not a happy camper. The 22nd expression is have a screw loose, which means one who is slightly mad or eccentric. An example for this is Iron's boss visibly had a screw loose just by the way he spoke. The 23rd expression, the last expression of this video is laid back, which means a relaxed person who doesn't get stressed or upset easily. An example for this is our managing director was a laid back person, but he has recently started to scold the employees. Congratulations, you have learned 23 personality describing idioms. Let's have self-check questions to have check on our understanding of what we have learned. Please mention your answers in the comments. We will be eager to see your answers. Let's see the questions. Mention whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. The first statement is Abhilasha is a dark horse whose talents are unknown to many of us. Second statement is you can trust Deepa, she is a barefaced liar. Third statement is Kanimuri is a go-getter who is selected by the best MNC in the campus interview itself. The fourth statement is one can share secrets with Nanda as he is a big mouth. The final statement is Ratish is as cool as cucumber and handles things calmly. I hope you have enjoyed learning through this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment the video. Thanks for watching this video till the end of it. Until we meet in the next video, take care.